What's up guys, welcome back to our new video. YouTube is suddenly taking a harder stance against ad blockers. If you don't turn off ad blocker after 3 videos, you will no longer be allowed to watch the video. Actually, YouTube intends to force us to purchase the YouTube Premier services for the price of $13. But don't worry, I have a simple solution. After that, definitely it will solve the problem. We will simply bypass the YouTube ad detection. The first things you need to do, if you have any ad blocker, please remove it. Now let's move into the main step to bypass YouTube ad detection. We need to download the Total Adblock. Just open your browser, then type on the search bar Total Adblocker extension. At the search results, you can see Total Adblocker extension from your browser app store. For me, it's Chrome. If you are using Firefox, it will definitely show you from Firefox. Total Adblocker is a free and open source browser extension available for major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave. Just click on Add to Brave. It will download and install itself. Now it will ask you permission to add this extension in your browser. Just click on Add Extension. At the next page, click on Enable Ad Blocker now, then click on Next Step simultaneously. Now go back to the YouTube extension tool of your browser, then click on Total Ad Blocker. It's showing that it's already blocking ads, and most importantly, YouTube is unable to detect you are using a ad blocker. You can watch videos without ads and any disturbance. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.